Big factory premises have strict traffic rules on their sites. When a technician arrives at the facility, a vehicle is usually provided for him. Keys commonly secure driving functionality. In this case, the technician uses a tablet, which is provided by the receptionist. After accessing the vehicle, the technician uses the tablet for authentication. The QR code generated by the Vemco service is scanned with the Vemco app. Successful authentication then unlocks driving capability. With the autonomous driving capability provided by the Virtual Vehicle Research Center, it is possible to ensure safety and security on the factory site. The autonomous vehicle guarantees specific pre-selected routes. It is an ideal choice to reduce necessary safety schooling for on-site driving. Upon arrival, the technician simply gets out of the vehicle. The vehicle may then drive back to a parking spot or simply wait at the current position for the next passenger.